Was this gunshots?
I just heard banging.
Like knock, 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 knock?
Yeah.
I'm intrigued. This thing's huge. Solid waste management, awesome. I don't even know what that is. Sorry guys, just making sure we didn't have a visitor. Oh, looks like maybe we had a squatter here. Huh. Those are gone. You probably can't see in, neither can I. Let's see. Oh.
No way.
Yes way. This is the second trailer I've found on our little adventures. And you have your fabulous kitchenette. What can I get you to eat? I'm amazed it hasn't been ravaged by like raccoons. Mind you, there's no food. Look, there's a hole right through. Handy dandy thermos. Cupboards seem to be empty. And you have your fabulous washroom. Oh, wow. No shower. That's kind of gross. Check out the old stereo. That's insane. I love it. Sorry about my flashlight, guys, but I'm wearing huge gloves. Okay, we're gonna do it. Hey. No. Yeah, way. So way. Okay, I am very short, but I'm going to give it a go. Holy schlat. Okay, there's a lot of cobwebs.
Yeah.
Just on the steering wheel, like on the dash.
Yeah.
Oh, Look, gas tanks down there.
Of a truck.
This is insane. What? Ignition. Sorry guys, trying to give you as much light as I can. Wow. So this is what it's like to drive a garbage truck.
It was another one of those evenings where it seemed like you weren't getting anything, and then boom, last minute, like
Do 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 do. Axle lock.
and find an abandoned house.
I love the bench seat. That's crazy. Okay, I have to jump down. Boop boop boop. I had to do it. Don't touch the red button. Boop boop. Sorry guys, I'm just being a total child right now. Wow. No idea what any of these are for, except for the headlights. Why are there 2 ignition switches? That's weird. I'm gonna guess that's for the back where all the garbage goes. Oh, so unreal. AM, FM. Huh. Looks like someone stole the stereo from the bottom. I don't know. I do not know. Anyway, that was awesome. Mirrors were electric. So it's not that old. Just a little frozen shut. Gonna check out this guy. You can tell it's really old. Okay guys, well, this has been Seeking Paranormal, coming to you from an extremely fun place. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you again soon.